Looking for home remedies for cold and cough in babies and kids? Struggling to find cough remedies for babies under 1 as you do not want to give antibiotics to your baby? You are at the right place. Watch this video and see the solution. 1. Black pepper and lemon. Prepare a black pepper tea by adding 1/8 teaspoon of grounded black pepper powder in a pot. Add a cup of water. Boil it and then let it simmer for 10 minutes. Add juice from half lemon and a teaspoon of honey. Drink the warm tea 2 to 3 times a day. 2. Turmeric. Mix turmeric powder to 1 teaspoon of honey until a thick paste is made. The paste should be thick enough to convert the mixture into 4 to 5 balls, 1 centimeter diameter. Keep 1 ball in the mouth and let it melt on its own. Consume the rest of the turmeric honey balls during the day at regular intervals. 3. Rooibos tea. Rooibos, red bush, has potent antioxidant and immune-modulating effects. Make up a rooibos tea and add a few leaves of holy basil and a few drops of aniseed. Drink twice a day to help get rid of dry coughs. 4. Grapes. Grapes contain chemicals that act as expectorants. This helps shift stubborn mucus on your lungs. Make sure you indulge in grapes whenever you have coughs. 5. Apricot and grapes. Eat 250 grams of grapes daily for a week. Make sure the grapes are not overripe and are organically farmed for best effect. Grapes absorb chemicals, pesticides, etc. easily, so be careful in selecting the grapes. If you have any question, then discuss in our community or comment, like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos.